This video introduces centralized management of Modator devices and their codec modules through Control Hub. Start by registering a Modator device. Step 1. Initiate the registration from the web interface of Modator. Go to System, Control Hub page. Click Register. In the pop-up window, enter the Control Hub invitation code and address, then click Save to send the request. Step 2. Log into Control Hub. Go to Devices Pending Approval tab. Select the device and click Accept. Once registered, you can view device information, monitor real-time status, perform firmware updates, and group the devices. Click the online icon in the lower right corner to directly access the Modator's web interface for remote configuration. Expand the list on the right to view basic information about all codec modules installed in the Modator, including product name, serial number, and firmware version. These modules can also be registered to Control Hub by simply clicking the module icon to access its web interface. After logging in, follow the same registration process as used for the Modator. Similarly, navigate back to Control Hub, go to Devices, Pending Approval tab, and approve the registration request for the module. After registration, you can check each module's online status directly on Control Hub and click the Online icon to access its web interface for remote configuration. For unregistered modules, basic information is still visible on Control Hub, but online status or web interface access are not supported. In that case, management would be done via the Modator's web interface. When multiple Modators are registered, Control Hub clearly visualizes the devices and their respective modules. The number of Modator devices and modules that can be registered under one Control Hub account is subject to the device limit specified in your license.